Hello guys, it's Greg Hilton Jr. Haven't made a video in a while. I'll make some new videos about some new stuff I'm going to be doing. If y'all remember, I used to do reviews on knives and tools. I'm gonna start doing that again, and I'm do something a little bit different. So what I got today is an M&P knife. I paid $20 for it. I'm gonna open it up. Give me 1 minute. This be good enough. Okay, so what we have here is the knife. It's actually pretty sharp. It's got a sharp blade on the end. Spring loaded. It's actually a pretty nice knife. This is made by Smith & Wesson. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do a review on it. It's brand new. It's come out of the box. And I'll make another video about the same knife a month from now. I'm going to use it every day at my work. And then we'll see how it holds up to the work I do, which is a factory job. With this knife, didn't hold up very good. I've had this a couple months. It's a Tac Force off eBay. It's also spring loaded. But as you can tell, the blade loosened up. The clip loosened up. But other than that, it's been a pretty good knife for $15. So now let's see how this knife turns out in 1 month. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be making more videos again. Thank y'all for watching.